I was like, भाई, why did you come back from US? We like, बस काफी फोमो हो रहा था यार उधर. फोमो हो रहा था.
किस चीज का?
So much happening. I mean, Amrit even today tells me, I felt I left India at the wrong time. And there's so much going on in India right now, and I think I need to be back here. And he kind of liked that I was in the middle of
That excitement of culture of building a startup.
yeah. And of course, even when he was in US,
Right.
I've had multiple conversations with him on what I'm up to here and things like that. So it was only natural. I didn't feel like we were selecting each other as a partner for a next big gig. So it felt very organic. I think that feeling organic becomes important.
Right.
But naturally, see, what's the other element is complementarity. So if you look at me and Amrit, we are like chalk and cheese. So we are very different human beings, right? But that complementarity stitched with strong trust and the conviction on each other's capabilities, I think is a good combination.
Quickly, how are you guys different? If you have to draw 3 strengths of Amrit and 3 strengths of yours, and maybe a couple of weaknesses of both.
So let me tell you, comfort zones, dealing with a lot of working with a lot of people and interacting with grassroots level people, also building a big team is very. I've always been a people's person. I've always thrived in working in large teams, and so that is something that's my comfort zone. Amrit's comfort zone would be, he's definitely a numbers guy. He's a bottom-up thinker. He double clicks and triple clicks on things organically. Sometimes I get carried away in the heat of the moment. Sometimes I can be a very impulsive thinker. It feels right, then go for it. There is a bias to action is crazy for me. अरे सोच लिया तो करना है. सुबह सोच लिया तो शाम में
होना चाहिए.
क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? So that restless, I'm a restless guy. But he's like, he's complete, Amrit is completely okay if that thing does not get done that day. He's okay to think about it, ruminate for 2 more days and come back with, have you thought about it in this angle kind of thing. So he can be patient. I can be very impatient.
What if they were both of co-founders were similar to you? What would have happened?
See, I mean, it's initial days, पता नहीं चलेगा आपको. Right. This gets tested when there is a struggle. And we've had both good runs, home runs and struggles. And so that's when both of you are very similar, like say, Q was also as impulsive as me. Then when you make mistakes, you don't realize it then, right? So, or you don't tend to avoid mistakes also, right? So that's that maker checker mechanism automatically ho jata hai when there are two people with complementary skill sets.
Is that very important for a startup? If there is a
I think it
co-founding
is
team?
very important. Even today, when I meet early stage startup founders, first thing I ask them is this question. And I mean, bunch of people have also built their own startups after their stints at Zworks. They all understand the importance. They've all seen us in action. They all, at least the folks inside Zworks, know that the value of complementarity and having different people combine their forces in taking one common decision. But what unites is common purpose, putting company first, right? That's how differences get easily resolved.
Right.
So the completely similar people building something, short term easy hai, long term challenges आएगा is what I feel. The very different people together, short term challenges होगा, you will have to work to navigate your working styles. But long term, I think it's fantastic value addition for.
Have you guys had on the floor fights?
Not in the. I mean, Amrit. I mean, you've not met Amrit, but when you meet him, he's not.
No, fights as in disagreement when one of the person just walks off and saying, "Yeah, मुझे नहीं करना है."
Early months, yes. Like the first 2018 3-4 months, I used to be very impulsive back then. क्योंकि ये supplier onboarding ऐसे करना है मतलब ऐसे करना है.
अच्छा.
And I was not used to getting challenged easily. And but yeah, so that, like I said, that is navigation in progress. That is how you build a working relationship that lasts forever. And those are important. Those differences and those ups and downs are important in cementing your job.